Don't trip up. Avoiding inappropriate or offensive examples in English conversation. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into a topic that can really improve the quality of your English conversations. It's about using appropriate examples when you're answering questions. More importantly, we'll focus on what you should avoid to make sure your examples are not inappropriate or offensive. So, let's get started. Examples are a powerful tool in conversation. They illustrate your point, make complex ideas easier to understand, and can even add humor or interest to a conversation. But they're a double-edged sword. If chosen poorly, examples can confuse, offend, or create misunderstandings. When answering questions in English, always aim to choose clear, relevant, and respectful examples. It's crucial to remember that what's considered inappropriate or offensive can vary widely depending on cultural context and personal beliefs. Here are some categories to avoid. 1. Controversial topics. Topics like religion, politics, and personal beliefs can be very sensitive. Avoid using examples related to these unless you're in a situation where they're explicitly relevant and welcome. 2. Stereotypes and assumptions. Using examples that rely on stereotypes or assumptions can be offensive, and they can also spread misinformation. Remember, an individual's actions or characteristics don't represent an entire group. 3. Explicit or obscene content. Unless you're in an environment where it's accepted, avoid examples that include explicit language, graphic violence, or explicit sexual content. Keep your language professional and suitable for all listeners. So, how can we avoid these pitfalls and choose good examples? Here are some tips. 1. Stick to common experiences. Try to choose examples that most people can relate to, like common life situations, widely known public figures, or famous events. 2. Know your audience. Consider who you're speaking to. What is their background? What might they find interesting or offensive? When in doubt, err on the side of caution. 3. Ask yourself, is this example clear? Is it relevant to the question? Could it be seen as disrespectful or offensive? If you're not sure, it's better to choose a different example. Using examples in your answers is an excellent way to make your conversations more engaging and informative. But it's crucial to be aware of the potential for your examples to be seen as inappropriate or offensive. Remember, the goal is to communicate effectively and respectfully. I hope this video helps you choose your examples wisely in your English conversations. Until next time, happy talking, everyone.